Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fish eggs. First, carefully remove the roe sac from the fish, ensuring it remains intact. Next, rinse the roe thoroughly under cold, running water to clean away any impurities. Finally, gently pat the roe dry with paper towels. This crucial preparation step ensures your fish eggs are ready for cooking, setting the stage for a delicious culinary experience. Proper cleaning is key to enhancing the flavor and texture of this unique ingredient. One popular and simple method for cooking fish roe is pan frying. Begin by heating about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place the roe sac into the pan. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side, until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs for an exquisite flavor. Another fantastic way to prepare fish roe is by baking or roasting it. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a baking sheet or line it with parchment paper. Place the roe sac onto the prepared sheet and drizzle it with a small amount of olive oil. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the roe is firm and beautifully golden brown. This method yields a tender interior with a slightly crispy exterior. Once your fish roe is perfectly cooked, it is time to enjoy its rich flavor. Serve the warm roe on crisp toast points, small blinis, or your favorite crackers for a delightful bite. Enhance its taste with a garnish of fresh dill, finely chopped chives, or a bright squeeze of lemon juice. This versatile delicacy makes an excellent, elegant appetizer for guests or a unique, flavorful side dish to complement your main course. Enjoy every savory moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.